up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm out here in a local town getting this tornado siren test. I have met up with Brandon from DSRX 100 on YouTube, so I'll link his channel in the description below, but we just got it and I'll show you the test in a moment. But it's a Whalen 2910. Goes off on the second Saturday of the month at 12. So they'll do an alert or voice first, then alert, and then another voice, and then it'll shut off. So I will go ahead and show that, and we're going to go lunch. I think he's going to get a drone shot, I'm pretty sure, so of the siren. So that'll be cool. So yeah, we're gonna show you the siren now, and then go ahead and go get lunch.
Attention, this is a test of the City of Greenbrier warning system. This is only a test. Attention, this is a test of the City of Greenbrier warning system. This is only a test.
All right, so that was actually a pretty surprising test. Like, I am very shocked that it actually did anything, because like this is the first time I've ever been to this town, and usually these small towns, they have like strange testing policies, and sometimes they just forget to test, so that happens. But no, it was like 12 noon on the dot. It did some voice, and what was pretty cool is that I did live voice as well. So like a live voice announcement compared to the typical Whelen pre-recorded stuff is always pretty cool. I have to listen to the scanner audio to confirm, but I'm pretty sure that was a live voice, not something they've pre-recorded to the board. So no, this is an awesome trip. I'm very excited, and I can't wait to share it. What else? Is there anything else I was gonna say?
All right, so we got done with lunch. This is a Sterling M5 that you're looking at, the red one. I don't know if it still works. I don't know. It could, and it could not. It looks like it's still hooked up to electricity. I mean, it goes to the fire station and it goes into this pole right there. So it might still work. It just may be manual controlled. I've never heard it going off before, but it could. I don't know. But anywho, yeah, and we could have set up right here to get that siren, that well in the back, right there. Just shut up both of them there. So yeah, M5 siren, and this little town. I don't know what she's doing.
Bro, this looks like Phoenix Bird. Like a shirt if you want to be Phoenix. That's cute. I like the color. Blooper.
We're at Beals now, and just shopping on a Saturday night. And hope you enjoyed the little segment of Brandon from DSRX 100 joining me today on this siren chase, and you learned something new about me today. So I like sirens too. So there will be more siren videos at some point, but more trains than sirens, because tests are hard to catch, because some do weekly, some do last Saturday, some do second Saturday, in this case, the town that I was in today. Some do the first Saturday, and some do every day. So it's kind of hard. But yeah, just gonna shop around here and then go home. But it was a nice one today. Hot, but it was nice.
Alright everybody, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. We hope you enjoyed it and y'all know what to do. All the things per usual, and we will be vlogging the next few days, so please stay tuned for our adventures, I guess. So thank y'all so much. We'll talk to y'all soon.